is that most people do a lot of great work, but their work does not get enough visibility.
All thanks to this awesome man.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Just this morning, I was speaking to a gentleman who is a patent holder. So he has patent, he has created a product which is patented, and he works for IBM, working for around 15 years around. And what he told me is that, he said, Mr. Bishal, I feel my work is not getting enough visibility. And I understand that. Because the problem is that most people do a lot of great work, but their work does not get enough visibility. They have great technical knowledge, but because of lack of confidence, they don't get recognized enough. They have a lot of value to provide for the company. They do provide a lot of value to the company, for which great products are created, great services are created, great projects are fulfilled. But because they don't know how to speak about those projects, they don't know how to speak about those products, they don't know how to communicate the value of the service, they never get the right credit for that. So what happens as a result? Pretty simple thing happens. Somebody else who has more confidence, better communication skills, gets those credits. And as a result, what happens? You sit there in your office cabin thinking, why am I not getting those credit? You come back home, you take the shower after coming home out of tiredness, and you think, when will I get the recognition? When will I start spending more time with my two children, my son, my daughter? When will I have more money to plan those great vacations that I see other people taking? When will I create my own financial freedom versus worrying about the next house loan, worrying about the next big bill? How much longer will I keep driving this beaten up car that I don't like anymore as I used to like it 5 years ago? When will I buy that new car? And it's only happening because you're not getting enough credit for your knowledge. Knowledge is not your problem. If you're like most of the people that I work with, most of the clients, you already have great knowledge. But the only challenge right now for you is you don't know exactly how to communicate in the right way in front of groups of people. Maybe you have had challenges in the past and you did not have much opportunities to improve. Maybe you did not have the right group to support you. Maybe you did not have a lot of opportunities to speak and present. But now you find yourself in a space, in a place where giving presentations on a regular basis is a part of your profession, but you're not able to excel in that because you are not able to speak with confidence. So tell me, does that sound like you? And if it does, how much longer do you want to continue it this way? How much longer do you want to stay without visibility? How much longer do you want to see other people get the credibility, the credit, the reward, the recognition, the award, as you just create the product and then vanish? How much longer do you want to deprive yourself of the promotion? How much longer do you want to deprive your children of the great education that they could have? You are providing the best education for them that you can provide, but not the best education there is, because you know you could get your children to a better school if you had more money. You know you could get your family to a better vacation if you had the money. You know deep inside your heart you can buy a better car and feel the abundance of driving the car if you get more visibility, if you get more respect, if you get that promotion, if you get that 30% hike in your salary as you become the chief architect, as you become the senior manager, as you become the vice president, as you become the CEO of your company. So I encourage you this week, this month, this year, this day, this moment, this hour, to develop your confidence, to get more visibility, to develop your communication skills, to get more credibility, and develop your public speaking skills to get more profitability. in your life, in your profession, and everything will transform for you. That's my tip for you for today. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.